So in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use the while loop within the F# programming language. For it, first of all, you need to declare a variable. So as we know that in F# we need to use this word let. Okay, this is a specialized keyword for to create a variable. After this let keyword you need to write mutable. Now what is mutable? In F# usually you cannot change the value of the variable until you have declared it as the mutable. So here we have written let mutable. So we will write x is equal to 1. Now x is declared as a variable which is having 1 inside it, and it is mutable, means that its value can be changed. After this is done, we need to write while, as we know that in order to create a while loop we need this function or keyword while. Then there is a condition that while x is greater than 10 do. Okay, we have written this thing. Okay, sorry, it's not, it's less than 10. Okay, while x is less than 10, this condition will check that either the value stored inside the x is less than 10 or not, and if it is less than 10 then the control come inside the while loop. You can see that I have pressed the space button so that my cursor has gone inside the body of the while. Okay, so here we will write print fn, and anything, like if we want to print like good. Okay, print fn good. And after this is done, you must know that print fn is a specialized function. Okay, and it will take string as a parameter. Here if you will write good, it will be represented or being shown on the console as it is, like good for 10 times and like this. Okay, and here we will write x less than dash x plus 1. And now what is this thing? This thing is assignment operator. We are not going to use is equal to like C as an assignment operator, but this less than and dash sign. So after this print function of good is done, then x plus 1 will increase the value by 1. Okay, and then again control will come to the first line, that again it will check that either x is less than 10 or not. Okay, so it is like a circle again and again. Okay, and after this is done we will write system.console.read key. Okay, the last statement is just for to hold the console window. Okay, it's just for to hold the console window and nothing else. So you are not supposed to go into the technicalities. Okay, now you can see that good is printed for 10 times. Okay, and if we also want to print the value of x, then we can write x, and here we will write %d. Okay, %d. Okay, so we will write here %d like decimal. So now all the values of x, because the value of x is being incremented in every step after every cycle. So if we want to see the value of x, then you can see that it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Because it is less than 10, so it just runs for 9 times. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can use the while loop within the FH programming language. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.